कॉन्फेडरेशन फॉर चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड एंटरप्राइज से आइए हम इनसे बातचीत करते हैं.
Yeah, my name is Jiten Shah and I am from Gujarat. We promote Indian MSME to expand their business in various countries, mainly in Africa. We have incorporated our own company in Kenya by the name of Quickmark Limited in 2018. We did one exhibition in 2018 in Kenya and we did another exhibition in 2019 in Nairobi, Kenya. We do multi-sector exhibitions where we are going to provide lot of marketing services start from the beginning to up to the end. एक MSME को अपना बिजनेस डेवलप करने के लिए जितनी भी सर्विसेज की ज़रूरत पड़ती है इंडिया के बाहर एक्सपोर्ट को प्रमोट करने के लिए या तो मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए, वो सारी अपार्ट फ्रॉम द एग्जीबिशन हम लोग उसको प्रमोट करते हैं. हमारा 3rd एडिशन एग्जीबिशन आ रहा है अप्रैल महीने में, जिसमें वी प्रमोट मैनी सेक्टर्स, डिफरेंट पार्ट ऑफ द country and different sectors. We are going to promote them. So anybody wants to promote their own products in Africa, they can connect with us. Along with this, we have also incorporated one intercontinental confederation for Chamber of Commerce and Enterprises, where we connect all the Chamber of Commerce and Industry Association of the world on a single platform. The vision of the company is to encourage and empower the chambers and enterprises to successfully expand their horizon globally, and the objective of the federation is to consolidate the world's largest confederation by itself. So these are the efforts we are doing for the upliftment and encouragement of the MSME. We also facilitate lot of marketing services start from the 45,000 to 30 lakh rupees to multiply the export turnover. Thank you.
सर, जो आप इंडिया जो आए हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस पर्पस क्या आपका?
मैं इंडिया से ही हूँ, इंडिया में ही रहता हूँ मैं, बट आई हैव फ्लाइड मोर देन 200,000 किलोमीटर इन लास्ट 3 years. सो मेरा राइट नाउ वी हैव नेटवर्क इन मोर देन 30 countries and within a 3 years of span we are going to reach about more than 100 countries to facilitate and to promote the Indian products, and this is how we are going to strengthen the Indian economy and to promote the MSME of the country.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir, to talk with us.
Thank you very much, sir.